Hello everyone, today we are making Christmas ornaments. This is another ornament. I want to share the pattern for you. Very easy pattern, contains just chain stitches. You can add some beads to it or you can crochet without it. The pattern will be the same as for small ornament as for large. I will show you how to adjust it. It is very easy. Small bauble is 6 centimeters diameter and large one is 8 centimeters. You can buy them on Amazon. Today I'm using drops number 9. It is cotton, double knit, 3.5 millimeters crochet hook, and some beads I found in a craft shop. They are very small but with large opening, and I will start by feeding my beads through this yarn. So I've got something like that. You will need 25 for large bauble, but give couple extra, and maybe like 20 for the small, maybe 18. So let's start with magic loop or magic circle. Chain 2. And now I'm making 12 double crochets in a magic circle. Yarn over, into the loop, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, making 12 double crochets. (11) and 12. Pull that to close, slip stitch in the first double crochet, chain 8, skip 1 single crochet, chain 8, yes, I have to move it all the time, skip 1 single crochet, repeat it all the way till the end, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops. The last loop I will do it the easy way. How to crochet mesh the easy way, we will crochet in spiral, so I will not connect it over there, I will connect it on top of my first loop, making single crochet. This is the start of the pattern. Chain 8, I have made 7 chain stitches, and now I will add 1 bead. Watch how I'm doing it. Last chain stitch, like this, and now I'm feeding this bead through this loop. I want this bead to be in front of the hook. Single crochet on top of the next loop, and you've got your bead right in front of it. Seven chain stitches, and last chain stitch will be after the bead, so 8 stitches altogether. Feed this bead through in front of the hook, make single crochet, and repeat. You want all your beads to be on the right side of your work. And now when you are connecting, you are going in a spiral. You don't have the beginning of the round, you don't have the end of the round, but you will recognize this with loop. If you want, you can put a stitch marker. Let me crochet a few more loops and I will show you how to finish this. I have made 3 rounds. You can see 1, 2, 3 all the way around. This is my width stitch, beginning of this pattern. You try to fit your bubble, maybe you've got different size bubble, and try to lift those loops all in one, like this. It should come together. If you want, if you feel that you need to make couple more loops, please feel free to make couple more loops. For this small bubble I've made 3 rounds. For this large bubble I've made 5 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you need to tidy those ends. You want to go around then you need to have little pretty string and feed that through. Like this. Fit your bubble and then try to tighten it together. Make a little pretty bow and cut the ends. And like this you can make small ornament or large ornament. If you haven't seen, please check my last video about those ornaments. I'm using small bauble for this ornament, and it is very easy pattern. We creating two halves and then stitching it together. With this pattern it was all in one part. You can crochet it with beads straight away, or you can glue those beads after if you prefer.